Hi guys, this is Sarfaraz from Aristotle Prep and we are looking at question 86 from the OG 13 Critical Reasoning chapter. The stimulus says, when trying to identify new technologies that promise to transform the marketplace, market researchers survey the managers of those companies that are developing new technologies. Such managers have an enormous stake in succeeding, so they invariably overstate the potential of their new technologies. Okay. Surprisingly, however, market researchers typically do not survey a new technology's potential buyers, even though it is the buyers and not the producers who will ultimately determine a technology's commercial success. That's a very interesting fact that's been given to us, that market researchers, instead of asking buyers whether they will buy a new technology, they go and ask the creators of the technology, who anyway tend to overstate the benefits of that technology. So the question will definitely ask you, why is this happening? So the question says, which of the following, if true, best accounts for the typical survey practices among market researchers? So we have to explain why are market researchers not talking to the buyers. That's basically what we have to explain. So A says, if a new technology succeeds, the commercial benefits accrue largely to the producers, not to the buyers of the technology. But that is not our idea. The idea is to get an understanding of whether it will succeed or not. And to get that understanding, it is best to talk to the buyers. Why are these researchers not doing that? A doesn't tell you. B says, people who promote the virtues of a new technology typically fail to consider that the old technology that is currently in use continues to be improved. So how does it help us? It doesn't give the answer to the question, why are researchers not talking to the buyers? C says, investors are unlikely to invest. What investors are likely to do or unlikely to do? Does it make any difference to why these researchers are not talking to the buyers? It makes no difference. I mean, you can of course read the entire option. I'm not reading it. D says, the potential buyers for not yet available technologies can seldom be reliably identified. That looks like a perfect answer. The reason market researchers are not talking to the buyers is because they don't know who the buyers are, because it's a new technology. So D gives you a perfect explanation that you're looking for. E says, the developers of a new technology are generally no better positioned than its potential buyers to gauge how rapidly the new technology can be efficiently mass produced. But still doesn't give the answer to the question, why researchers are not talking to the buyers. D is the only option that gives you the answer to that question. So that is the answer we are looking for. On a difficulty scale of 1 to 5, I would give this question a 3 maybe. Have a nice day.